Have you ever seen the movie Minority Report
Yes.
with Tom Cruise,
Yep.
Philip K. Dick?
Yep.
Okay. We always thought that Minority Report was a chilling piece of science fiction, but what if we're already beta testing its logic in real life? Right now, artificial intelligence is inching into spaces where the stakes couldn't be higher. We're talking about drones using facial recognition and movement analysis, possibly making real-time kill decisions without a human in the loop. There's algorithms in HR and military clearance systems flagging someone as unfit, not because of anything they've done, but because of something they might do based on pattern recognition and risk scores. Mike, here's the question. Are we crossing a moral line by allowing AI to make irreversible decisions, especially when those decisions affect whether someone lives, works, or even exists in society?
Mm. Loaded question. I will say that I've seen
Thank you.
lately. Yeah, I mean, I expect nothing but that. I will say lately I've seen some pushback to AI. I think we might have talked about this. I don't know if we talked about this. I can't remember what we talked about on the last podcast, but YouTube has put in a policy now that they're not going to monetize stuff that's blatantly AI or
Yes.
rehashed out. People have, I don't know if you remember, for a while there were videos all the time of fake. I call it like just fake stuff. I know marketing campaigns had like little AI, like van life events, had little AI vans parked in circles and stuff, and everything. Yeah, I want just to fucking throw up about all that shit. Like it got so overplayed, it was disgusting. And then we got into the AI where you get the recently I've seen some on TikTok, especially where you get the old people saying, nasty stuff and whatever. It's AI voices and whatever. And that's getting played out. I think that's passing. So I think there's a pushback on AI in general in our quote society. I think people are just kind of sick of it. Um, the uses of it though, outside of that stuff, like the in your face fake stuff, Donald Trump talking stupid when it's not him. And I think that stuff's all played out at this point. I mean, like anybody that's still doing that is like dating themselves. But um the uses of making decisions, a computer making a decision or analyzing something, like as an example here, we are nomads. Bert and I were talking about this the other day. You can send your medical stuff in to some of these telehealth things now, and they'll run it through AI. It says, I don't think this is skin cancer. You send them some picture, whatever, stuff like that. There are uses for AI for sure. The military, as you mentioned about life or death. I mean, yeah, I think under certain circumstances, making an artificial intelligence making a decision can do it quicker, which might mean safer, might mean saving lives on the other end of it, instead of relying 100% on human. Well, microphone fell here, on human intelligence. And sometimes, as you know, us humans are skewed by our preconceived ideas or thoughts. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I know I'm not answering the question, but
I think that in the context of this question, AI should only be used in situations where a human being could not achieve the same efficiency without risking their life or health or something like that.
yeah, or
So
other
let's
people's.
let's say there's a submarine down at the bottom of the ocean and there's people inside.
Mm-hmm.
I want an AI sub to go down there and
Yep.
save them.
Yes.
I don't want to risk more people going down there to save
Right.
them. You
Yep.
get what I'm saying?
Yep.
But
Or even running the scenario through an AI program to come up with, let's say time is of the essence, they're going to run out of air in 12 minutes. I mean, it's possible that AI could come up with a solution faster than human intelligence.
I agree. I also think it can come up with a wrong answer as quick
Yep.
as a human.
Yep,
too.
this is
And
true.
then there are sometimes decisions that border outside of logic uh on first analysis.
Mhm.
And it takes a human literally seeing the situation and actually
Yep.
having emotion and all of those things that we look at negatively in a decision. Um, so I'm not against it. I'm just I'm not willing to agree on just let it be involved in everything.
We're not there yet. It's not that good. I mean, I've talked about this on the podcast before, even in like translation programs. You go to Google Translate or whatnot. I use it down here in Mexico a lot. Most of that's run through AI, right? The AI is reading it and translating what the and I've found now that my Spanish has gotten better, that it's wrong like 70% of the time. I mean, it's wrong a lot. So I don't trust AI at a high level at this point. It's not that good still.
I envision some AI system that we've gotten sort of comfortable with and it killing someone and there being some
Mm-hmm.
major court case
Yep.
or court cases. And I'm already picturing the way it's going to be presented legally,
Agreed.
where the AI is like, okay, yeah, it killed this person, but it's this percentage of the time that it's been successful when it's been a human involved. No matter what, the percentage is half of what the success rate
Yep.
of this
Yep.
is. No matter what, in life-saving situations, there's a percentage of loss that is understood. You can't save everyone. I can literally see AI being the scapegoat and the escape route for a lot of organizations when they are in a legal bind.
Yep.
They'll just throw out statistics. There's nobody to interrogate, and all the numbers will factor toward the favor of the AI. You'll only be
Yep.
able to look at numbers.
Yep.
You won't
Yep.
be able to be like Mike. Well, Mike hates guys with glasses, or
That's right. Yeah. Yep.
uh. So, should an AI be allowed to determine someone's career future, especially when those systems are black boxes and can't explain their reasoning? Just like I said, you're not going to be able to be like, so
Well, I
did you
got news for
decide?
you. They're already doing that because they're running like SAT scores and they're running student interviews for college and stuff through AI to determine what they would best be suited to study in college.
Well, I can't, I'll have to pull it up, but I just read a few days ago, not even a week ago, the top tech places. I know Microsoft was one of them here in Washington.
Yep.
Like the top five have all gotten rid of several of their they all have like multiple HR departments. They
Mm-hmm.
have gotten rid of HR departments and replaced them with AI fully, 100% fully. Not leaving somebody. I mean, the whole
Yeah.
department is gone
Yep.
and it was replaced by AI. So I also don't like the idea of software replacing a human. You have taken away a livelihood for somebody to make a few more dollars at the top. Cause you ain't gonna everybody's losing but the people at the top
Yeah.
with the AI.
Well, I mean, that's our general theme of I think the podcast is sponsored by that.